Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oat-powered product on this ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. It's customized nitrogen gas filling device. Okay, let's run this machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. Here is our touch screen. Parameters, we can set any parameters on the touch screen, speed, like length. Okay, let's start the machine. Okay, let's stop the machine. Let's check the finished bag. So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. See you.